Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Hello students, let's do this question. Here the sample of n equal to 10 observations are taken and random variable x follows normal distribution with min mu equal to 64.5 inches and standard deviation sigma equal to 2.5 inches. Now we know that the formula for test statistic or standard norm over rate z equal to x minus mu divided by sigma and z equal to x bar minus mu divided by sigma upon square root of n. Now we have to find out probability that sample mean x bar greater than 67 equal to 1 minus probability that sample mean x bar less than or equal to 67 equal to 1 minus probability that z less than or equal to 67 minus 64.5 divided by 2.5 upon square root of 10 equal to 1 minus probability that z less than or equal to 3.1622 equal to 1 minus 0.990 equal to 0.001. Now we know that the value of z at 5% equal to minus 1.645 and the value of z at 95% equal to 1.96. Therefore we get minus 1.645 equal to x minus 64.5 divided by 2.5 implies that the value of x equal to 60.387 and 1.96 equal to x minus 64.5 divided by 2.5 implies that the value of x equal to 69.4. Therefore, we get first the value of probability of x bar greater than 67 equal to 0.001 and the middle 95% of heights is in between 60.387 to 69.4. I hope you find that helpful. Thank you.